What is the importance of budgeting for every businessman? Budgets are extremely important because they force us to think about our expenses and plan how we'll pay for them. Not planning your cash flow is a sure-shot recipe for failure. By using a budget, we can plan for how we're going to pay our bills. Do we have enough cash to cover the rent? But we're also forced to think about ways that we can pay our bills. This means, we are forced to think about how we can find more ways to increase our income. Every businessman needs a budget for one fundamental reason: they do not want to lose money. If people and companies do not know their numbers, cost and budget overruns are inevitable, and their cash inflows and outflows will be out of balance. In this video, I'm sharing with you the benefits of preparing and following a budget. These tips are not only applicable for your startup but for your established business and even your personal life. Reason number 1. A budget is a roadmap for your business. It tells you where you're going and how you're going to get there. If you're a startup owner, chances are that you're always struggling to get by. You probably don't have a lot of cash at your disposal and you're always looking for ways to achieve a higher profit. Getting by in the early days of your business is tough, but you can make it easier on yourself by following a budget. A budget lets you know where your money is going, and where it is not. Reason number 2. A budget keeps you accountable. It's a way to measure your progress and track your spending. A budget is a plan for your business. It tells you what you can and can't afford. It's a way of planning ahead so that you don't buy something that you don't need or something that isn't within your budget. It's a way of saving money so that when you need to make a big purchase, you have the money you need. Reason number 3. A budget saves you money. By keeping track of your spending, you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Many companies make the mistake of spending everything they have. Then they wonder what to do when they don't have enough money to pay salaries or buy important equipment. A budget can ensure that this doesn't happen to your business. A budget forces you to be realistic about your costs and expenses and is a crucial tool for managing your startup's finances. Reason number 4. A budget helps you to track your progress. A budget is one of the most effective tools you can use to help manage your startup. It is a formal plan for your business operations, including income, expenses and capital expenditure. It is a plan for how much you intend to spend, where, when and why. It is a way of setting a standard for your business and monitoring your performance against it. It is a tool for decision-making and to avoid surprises. It provides a way to measure your progress and track your spending against your budget. Reason number 5. A budget helps you plan for the future. With a budget in place, you can start saving for the future and investing in your business. Budgeting also helps you to identify where you can cut costs, for example, by switching to a cheaper supplier. It is a way to track your progress as per your plan and spot any problems early. If your budget is in surplus, you will have the option to either invest in the business and grow, or take some profit. If your budget is in deficit, you will have the option to either reduce your costs or take action to borrow the shortfall. Reason number 6. A budget makes you more organized. When everything is accounted for, you'll feel more in control of your finances and your business. Whether you're bootstrapping or have raised venture capital, you are always answerable to your investors and financiers. By keeping track of your spending, you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. A budget is the tool to monitor your cash flow that helps you track your expenses and costs, your outstandings and receivables. A budget gives you peace of mind. You'll know exactly where your money is going and what it's being used for. Preparing a realistic budget and sticking to it strictly is the key to success in business and a way to a peaceful personal life. Hope you found this information useful. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos every week. Thank you for watching.